First of all, I'd go to your technology transfer office without a doubt. Look and see if you got something that has IP, that can get a license, etc. Once it's vetted through that potential piece of the avenue chain, we take a look at things that just, are there grants out there that you've submitted for? What kind of response you received from those? And then some of the things we just talked about. I mean, from a biotech standpoint, and biotech is a relatively vague term. There's a lot of things that fit under biotech. That can be from med device to a true life science product. It can be a nanotechnology. You know, it can be marine. It can be ag. It can be a lot of various pieces of it, Carlisle. But I would take that first step. If it's something you're doing with inside the university, make sure your technology transfer office really is involved up front early on.
I'd go look up Steve Blank. I'm a huge fan of his. He's a lean startup. He's been one of the leaders, thought leaders in that area. And over the last couple years, you know, and so usually you think of these minimum viable products in the software space where, you know, you go off over a weekend and you create a little app and see if there's any traction in the marketplace. But he's done a lot of work in the last couple years with, is it iStart now? Is that what his?
I'm not sure.
Google Steve Blank Biotech or something like that, and you'll find that he's starting to apply some really lean startup techniques to products that take 10 years, and you'd think, man, how could that work? And so I'd go read up a little on him.